students. Next continuation, that is iodoform test in aldehydes and ketones and alcohols. Already I explained previous video student what are the conditions student, aldehydes and ketones and alcohols. These groups, these functional group means aldehyde group and ketone group and alcohol group, these all are giving iodoform test, positive iodoform test. And one more point student, all aldehydes are do not give iodoform test and all ketones are do not give iodoform test and all alcohols are do not giving iodoform test. This is very most important question. Now take the example for iodoform test for aldehyde, that is CH3CHO, CH3CHO, it giving iodoform test. Why? Because of this function. What is the condition student? This CH3, what is the condition? CH3CO group and CH3CH then OH. At least one methyl group must and should student. Compound should contain at least one methyl group. This aldehyde group is there student. This functional group, this aldehyde group beside is methyl group is there. This methyl group is there. This gives iodoform test, positive iodoform test. And second example student, that is CH3 CH2 then CHO. This is not giving iodoform test student. This is acetaldehyde, this is propanaldehyde. These propanaldehydes do not give iodoform test. Why? Because this aldehyde group beside CH2 is there. This aldehyde group connected, this aldehyde group is directly connected with the CH2 group. So that's why this is not giving iodoform test. You remember student, this what is the condition? This aldehyde group is directly connected with only methyl group is there. This aldehyde group is directly connected with only methyl group is there, that is always giving iodoform test. If in case this aldehyde group is directly connected with ethyl group is there, that means CH3 CH2, this aldehyde group is directly connected with the CH2 group, CH2 group, so that compound do not give iodoform test. This is the very most important simple trick student. Now take the one more example student, that is and formaldehyde HC double bond O. This is aldehyde functional group student. This aldehyde functional group beside hydrogen is there. So this is also do not give iodoform. There is no iodoform test. This compound also do not give iodoform test. Now take the one more example student, that is benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde also do not give iodoform test. Why? Because this aldehyde group, this C double bond O, this is called aldehyde group. This aldehyde group beside phenyl group is there. So this is also do not give iodoform test. And one more, these four are belongs to aldehyde functional group student. This all aldehydes are do not giving iodoform test. That is only giving only for acetaldehyde only giving iodoform test. Only acetaldehyde are giving iodoform test, and remaining and propanaldehyde, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, butanaldehyde, like that, these are not giving iodoform test. This is a very most important student. Now take the second one is acetone student. Acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is also giving positive iodoform test. It is also giving positive iodoform test. Why? Because of this keto group. What I said student, that is this keto group. What I said student, this CO group is beside at least one methyl group must and should. This CO group, what I said student, this keto group, the CO group is beside at least one methyl group must and should. But in this compound, in this ketone group, both side methyl groups are there. Left hand side one methyl group is there, right hand side also one methyl group is there. This keto group is directly connected with methyl group, one methyl group right hand side, one methyl group left hand side. These both are giving iodoform test. This acetone also giving iodoform test. And second example student, CH3 C double bond O then CH2 then CH3. It is also giving iodoform test student. Why? Because of this left hand side is the CO group. The CO group is directly connected with left hand side methyl group, but the CO group is directly connected with CH2 group. So this right hand side is do not giving iodoform test, but left hand side is one methyl group is there. So that's why it is also giving iodoform test. What is the condition student? Compound should contain at least one methyl group, not alkyl group, at least one methyl group, any side, left side or right side. So left hand side is one methyl group is there. So that's why it is also giving positive iodoform test. This is also second example student. Now take the third example student, CH3 then CH2 then CO then CH2 then CH3. What about this compound student? This keto group is directly connected with right side CH2 group. This keto group is directly connected with CH2 group. Once again student, this keto group is directly connected with CH2 group, this keto group left hand side also connected with CH2 group. So this is also do not give iodoform test. This is also do not give iodoform test student. What is the condition student? Keto group must and should. This keto group is directly connected with only methyl group. This keto group is directly connected with is ethyl. This is ethyl. This complete group is called ethyl. This complete group is called ethyl. So keto group is directly connected with ethyl groups are there. So that is not giving iodoform test. This is a simple trick. This compound C compound also do not give, this compound do not give iodoform test. Now one more example that is COCH3. COCH3. What about this compound? This acetophenone, this is keto group is there. This keto group is directly connected with the left hand side is phenyl group is there, directly connected with the right hand side is methyl group is there. So at least one methyl group must and should, at least one methyl group requirement. So here right hand side is methyl group is there, so that's why it giving positive iodoform test. It giving positive iodoform test. This is giving positive iodoform test. Now take the second example, that is CO, then CN. That name is called benzophenone. This keto, it is also keto group student. This keto group reside, that is left hand side is also phenyl group is there, right hand side also phenyl group is there. So what is the condition student? That is compound, that is aldehydes are ketone, compulsory at least one aldehyde group, sorry, at least one methyl group. But this keto group do not contain methyl group, so that's why it is also do not give iodoform test. There is no, this is not giving iodoform test. This is not giving iodoform test. This is the simple trick student. And one more example student, that is, but what is the next one student? That is iodoform test for alcohols. Iodoform test in alcohols. Iodoform test in alcohol student. It is also very most important student. In alcohols. In alcohols iodoform test student. So what are the, what I said student, that is in alcohol iodoform test, that is CH3 CHOH, like this. This alcoholic group, this is alcoholic carbon, this alcoholic group, this is alcoholic group carbon beside at least one methyl group is there. That is also giving iodoform test, and that means primary alcohol. This is also giving iodoform test. Why? Because of this CH group. This CH group, that is this OH group, this OH group beside carbon, this OH group carbon, this OH group carbon beside carbon, two methyl groups are there. It is also giving iodoform test. And third one student, CH3, then CH2, then CH2OH. This is not giving iodoform test student. This is not giving iodoform test student. Why? Because of this CHOH group beside this CHOH, the CH2OH group means this OH group, CH2OH group beside CH2 group is there. So it is not giving iodoform test student. Then this is a condition student. This is very most important condition student. Iodoform test in alcohols. What are the conditions student? Compound should contain this CHOH group beside at least one methyl group. Now take the example student. For example 1, CH3, then CH, then OH, then H2. That is, it is also giving positive iodoform test. Why? Because of this CHOH group beside methyl group is there, one methyl group is there, so that's why it is also giving positive iodoform test. Now second one student, that is CH3, then CH2, then CHOH2. But this is not giving iodoform test. This is not giving iodoform test. Why? Because this OH, this CHOH group, this is alcoholic group, this alcoholic carbon directly connected with only methyl, directly connected with ethyl group is there. This is ethyl group, this is ethyl group. So ethyl groups do not give iodoform test. This CHOH group directly connected with only methyl group is there, that is also giving iodoform test. But in the second compound, this CHOH is directly connected with the CH2 group, so that's why it is also do not give iodoform test. Now third one student, that is CH3, then CH, then OH, then CH3. This is secondary alcohol student. This CHOH group is directly connected with methyl group is there. Right side also methyl group is there, left side also methyl group is there. So both are methyl groups are there. So that's why it is also giving positive iodoform test. It is also giving positive iodoform test student. Now take the one more example student, that is CH3, then CH2, then CHOH, then CH3. What about this compound student? This is secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohol means this carbon directly connected with one methyl group and one ethyl group is there. This CHOH group directly connected with right hand side, one methyl group is there, directly connected with one ethyl group, that is left hand side is there. It is also giving iodoform test student. It is also giving positive iodoform test student. Now take the one more example student, that is CH3, then CH2, then CHOH, then CH2, then CH3. What about this compound student? What about this compound student? This CHOH group directly connected with right hand side ethyl group is there, left hand side also ethyl group is there. So these both are not giving iodoform test. This is also do not give iodoform test, that is secondary alcohols. This is also secondary alcohol student. This secondary alcohol giving iodoform test. This is also all secondary alcohol student is also giving iodoform test, but it is also secondary alcohol but do not give iodoform test. What is the reason student? All secondary alcohols are do not give iodoform test, and all secondary alcohols are giving not all secondary alcohols are do not give iodoform test. What is the reason student? This secondary alcohols are beside two methyl groups are there, so that's why it's giving iodoform test. This is also secondary alcohol. This compound having one methyl group is there, so that is also, that's why it is giving iodoform test. But in third compound, this is also secondary alcohols but there is no methyl group. What is the condition student? That is CHOH group is directly connected with only for methyl group, but this CHOH group is directly connected with only ethyl group, left hand side ethyl group is there, right hand side also ethyl group is there, so that's why it is not it is not giving iodoform test. This is the simple trick student, simple trick for iodoform test in alcohol student. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thanks for watching student. Thank you. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.